Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to connect your PlayStation 5 to your Wi-Fi network. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So it's very easy to connect your PlayStation 5 to your Wi-Fi network. However, there's one thing that we need to go ahead and do is get the password for the Wi-Fi. Now, many times this can be located right on the router itself. Now, I'll show you where that's located on my router right below my desk. So here is my router right here. If I go ahead and turn it around, right at the top here, I can see my different Wi-Fi connections. I have the 2.4 gigahertz right here, which is going to be named Aris BDFD. Then also I have the 5G signal right here, which is called the Aris BDFG 5G. And then located right here below it is the password for my connection. So these are the default settings. If you did not change anything, these should still be the same. So now that I have the password and the name of the router, let's go ahead and go over to my PlayStation 5. Now on the home screen of the PlayStation, let's go up to the top and then scroll all the way over to the right to settings and select this option. Now go to network, the third option down, select this. Now go down to settings, then over and set up internet connection. So under networks found, you're going to be able to see your router's name. Now I have the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5G connection on my router, and I saw the name and then I saw the password was the same for both of them. So I actually changed these. My 2.4 gigahertz is called Mr. Beast and my 5G is Miss Beast. Now the 5G connection will be quicker if you have a good signal. However, if you're going through a lot of walls and it's further away, your 2.4 gigahertz connection may be quicker because the 2.4 gigahertz connection has a longer range. So I suggest connecting to both of them if you have the option and just seeing which one has the quicker download speed and upload speed. So now let's go ahead and select our connection. So it wants me to enter in the password right away for the connection. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let's go to OK. And now it's connecting to my Wi-Fi network. Now I'm connected. So now let's back out of the screen and then go back to connection status. Now under here, we can go to test internet connection. So let's select this and just see how fast our 2.4 gigahertz is compared to our 5G connection. So let's go to start test. So my download speed is 117 megabits and my upload speed is 18. So let's switch over to my other connection now. Connecting to Miss Beast, my 5G connection. So for me, I can clearly see my 5G connection is far superior than my 2.4 gigahertz connection. I have 387 megabits for my download and 21 for my upload. So I suggest testing both of them out and seeing which one is quicker for you. The results may surprise you. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.